Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another Blooket video. In this video we will be doing the fourth Blooket account that I'm spending 10k tokens on. Literally, not 10k, like 8k more like, but what's special about this account, as you can see, and it says right, yeah, we have the cozy baby penguin on this account, so I'm not sure. But we can complete the blizzard pack if we do get the holiday elf. So, third account, last account pretty much. Around 2 minutes ago I got the holiday elf. My reaction bro was wild. If I do get a CHROMA, first of all I'm not gonna scream because that was kinda bad because now my voice is so laggy and itchy and like ugh. And second of all, I'm probably just gonna not gonna leave it that long. Not gonna leave that on. Anyways, y'all, AK tokens, y'all. What can we get? We can hopefully get the holiday elf, the CHROMA that we got last time, or I mean, preferably the holiday elf. But we can also get a cozy baby penguin elf. I would want both of them in my locker, y'all. Without further more, alright, we got epic snowman. Without further more, guys, let's get to it. We are still gonna spend our tokens. I still have a little in me. I still do have, it's basically hope. Like, the hope in me is like, at around 44% right now, I'm gonna say. So I still do have hope that I'm gonna get the CHROMA, although I mean I most likely won't. And my hand is getting very tired of just clicking. Just click, 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 click. I mean, fine, I can't call it a grind. Grind's still not over. We still got 800 tokens left, but our luck on getting a CHROMA with that amount. Oh my, holy, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm done. You know what, guys? Bloody hell, I'm done. I'm out of here, bro. I want to scream so bad, but like I don't want to scream. Ah, yeah, we got the holiday elf. Oh my god, bro, we got the 10 minutes ago, bro. Wait, what time is it now? It's 3:16. Right. 27 minutes ago, y'all, we got the holiday elf in another Blooket account that I'm gonna show you guys, and now we get the holiday elf again in another Blooket account, and that means that oh my god, wait, what? Does that means that we actually wait, bro, that means that we completed the booster pack. First account, bro. Hebrew fellow, let's go, y'all. Hebrew fellow. Why did I even choose that name? But I just completed the blizzard pack, y'all. I completed the blizzard pack in Blooket from this account, you know. Oh my god. That's a lot of emotions right now into getting this CHROMA, you know. Holiday elf, thank you so much for giving me the holiday elf. Well, my luck today is pretty good. I got 2 holiday elves, and it's been like not even an hour since I got them. Oh my god, man, I'm shaking a little, but yeah. Jesus, we actually got the holiday elf, y'all. All right. Sorry, holiday elf, I got it, you know. Well, we still gotta spend all our tokens, you know. I mean, bro, what? 2 freaking CHROMAs and like, oh my god, that's not lucky, but that is extremely lucky. Yeah, y'all, we got the holiday elf in our last like 700, 800 tokens, y'all. Who I was not expecting that, y'all. That was like blind. Okay, that was like, alright, y'all. I'm just like, you know, rushing to get this unboxing over with. I mean, I don't even want to pull a CHROMA now, you know. That is enough. That is a lot of CHROMAs here. That is a hell lot of CHROMAs, y'all. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, I feel like a rush of excitement when I look at that blizzard pack, y'all. I'm the goat of the blizzard pack, boys. I mean, definitely not as good as Monkey Master, cause like, shit again. Not as good as Monkey Master. Oh my, what the hell? Oh my, wait, did I just like reload the plate or some shit? Or, never mind. Not as good as a Monkey Master, cause like he got like infinite alts, but definitely somewhere near there. And especially that I'm recording this, y'all. I might just like fast forward this video, but like get to the point, guys. We got the CHROMA at the end. We got a CHROMA. We got the CHROMA. We got a CHROMA, y'all. I am strangely not feeling that excited because I feel like a little drained since I got that first holiday elf, y'all. But look at this, guys. 2 CHROMAs from the blizzard pack. Let me just take a little photo. I have my camera here. My Blooket alt account. That is a Blooket alt. I'm gonna I don't really care. We got 2,000 tokens, guys. We have to celebrate, and you know what I call celebration? I call buying a banner and a title. So I'm gonna get a different banner. I'm gonna get the most expensive one and the most expensive title. I don't care. I'm just gonna use them all, you know. Hebrew fellow. We got, ooh, wait, we have Bussy. Wait, what? Oh yeah, Mary, Mary Hebrew fellow. Look at that. I mean, I'm probably gonna use a code reboot. Yeah. Ooh yeah. 20-minute video. 20-minute freaking video, y'all. I don't care. Worth it, boys. It is worth it. thank you so much for watching this video. Double in chat, guys, for the chroma, and I love you guys. See you guys in another video. Bye.